Happy Kwanzaa. Today is the first day of a week-long celebration of African and African American culture, the holiday that we call Kwanzaa. And for Kwanzaa, I've decided to pair the 7 principles with a 3-word prayer from my book, Lord, you know, 3-word prayers of adoration, supplication, and affirmation. And the first principle of Kwanzaa is Umoja, which means unity in Swahili. And that means to strive and maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. When I thought about this principle, I really reflected on the fact that to maintain unity in any place, in our homes, in our families, in our community, in the nation, is a very difficult task. That's not something that we can take lightly. And if we are striving for unity, we really need to seek God's face as we do this great work. And with that in mind, I want to offer the 3-word prayer, the Lord is. That will be the 3-word prayer to go along with the Kwanzaa principle, unity. Why have I chosen this 3-word prayer? Because this prayer was inspired by Exodus chapter 3, where God calls Moses to go and liberate the children of Israel from Egyptian bondage, a daunting task. But Moses says to God, tell me, who should I say to them is sending me? What is your name, God? I need a name to give them when I go to the children of Israel to say, God has sent me to deliver you. Or when he goes to Pharaoh and he needs a name of God. But I want to read to you an excerpt from my book and God's response to Moses. Elohim, the author of every word and phrase, describes God's self as I am who I am. This response displays God's refusal to be limited to a mere name. What does that mean for you today? It means that God is whatever you need God to be. Pray the Lord is when you need to remind yourself of just how great God is and that Elohim is greater than any of your circumstances. And so as we strive to maintain unity in our family, in our race, in our nation, in our community, I want you to remember to call on the name of God, whatever name you need God to be. The Lord is my peace. The Lord is my shepherd. The Lord is my help. However you need to call on God as you strive for unity, remember this prayer. The Lord is. Happy Kwanzaa, and I'll see you tomorrow for the second day. All right? Bye-bye.